أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Today we are going to start dua ascending and descending, the prayer at the time of proceeding upward. Okay, when you go to the upside, or as from the stairs or from bottom to height, so you have to say this dua. Let me read first. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Or if you read with stop, so we say Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Now we read the prayer at the time of descending. Before we read ascending, and right now is the dua of descending. So we say Subhanallahi, Subhanallahi, Subhanallahi. I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, so you can ask anytime. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.